So as you can see, Bonnie has her new wheels on, and I think they look really amazing. But that's just me. I feel like some people might not like them. They're very dirty, so please disregard that. But because it's, you know, wintertime and whatever. But except it's 50. Yep. As you can see, I'm putting mud flaps on my car. So what's happening here? I have both the front and the rear done on the right side. What is happening with that? I got mud flaps for Christmas that I'm going to be putting on for winter, and they're from Rally Armor. They're just the universal set. They were like 20 bucks. It just came with the mud flaps. I think they're polyurethane. Not sure. But it's going well so far. I also got a rear lip for my car, so I'm going to be unboxing that probably today. And I have some driving footage that I took with my new GoPro that I'm using right now. That's going to be a separate video though. So stay tuned, and I'm going to be putting mud flaps on my car. So what I did is I drilled the holes for the mud flaps, the front and rear mud flaps, for the right side, and then as soon as I got done with the right side mud flaps, I transferred, as you can see, I put like a pin in there, punch, I mean, and I basically just punched a hole there as basically like a guide hole, so that it's the exact same fitment as the other side. That way you're not guessing again, and so that the right side isn't more crooked than the left side, and so it doesn't look wonky. So that's what I'm going to do now, or that's what I did. I'm going to drill the holes now, and then I'll show you for the rear one what I did special there. What I'm using for this hole right here is actually a side skirt clip. I'm just going to use these. I cut a little slit right there, you see at the top of this thing, and then you can just slide it in. Make sure you don't cut it too big, because you want it to pop in and be able to be snug, obviously. Looks like I need to cut it a little bit bigger. Bam. There's a push pin back there. We're not using that. We're actually, my mud flap lines up to about where my finger is right now on that seam. And then we are using this one and this one right here. If you don't have one of these tools, definitely get one. It's like, it makes your life so much easier. Look how easy this thing came out. Like, seriously? This isn't going well. I need more room in my bro. Oh my gosh. Oh, sorry, exhaust. Oh, sorry, camera. Crap. Okay, let's try this again. Done. Might have to pull the pin back out a little bit. And then push it together with your fingers. Kind of pops in. And then same thing with the top one. Here. Push it in with your fingers. Pops in like that. Right there. And then this one right there. You see it? Like that. This one might need to be persuaded. Uh-huh. Okay. And then see that one right there? I hope you can see it. Here's go. And it's in. Right there. See? So there's that side skirt clip. It was perfect enough that it would just snap right in. So I'm happy I figured that out. I did bend it a little bit, so I need to bend it. But that's about it. So there's the back. You pick me up again. Got your habits, got them too. Just feel like maybe I could lose them with you. So here's the lip. As you can see, it's not in the greatest condition, but it doesn't need to be, because I am going to be doing some major body work to it, and it's going to be amazing. So what my plan is, I'm not yeah, this is at the end of the video. So whoever's here, you're real. I applaud you, and you're the only one that gets to know this because you're the end. So, cutting this off. This bar right here, this one, all the way across, gone. Cut it off. So, chop right here, and up here, and then chop here. Okay, and then we're gonna go across this right here. Okay, so it's just this is sticking down. Okay, all that bar, gone. That's my plan. I'm gonna take a thumbnail of this, and it's gonna be great. Yeah, thumbnail. The nail of the thumb. Look at this. Nail of the thumb? I think so. So I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you enjoyed this one. I put mud flaps on, showed you my wheels, and I got a weird lip. So, next video should be me driving around. Because I wanted to hear my car on video. So I just, I put it right there on that thing. On the back of my car. So, yeah. That's what you'll see tomorrow. Or, not tomorrow. That's what you'll see in the next video after this one is up. Don't know when, but whatever. Yeah. Goodbye. And I'll see you next time.